the metaphor that came into my mind is that to climb the ladder to get to the top of the roof, or to climb a mountain and get to the top, that's hard work. It's consistency, it's focus, it's discipline. And then we get to the top of that roof, of that mountain, and then it's so easy to fall off it. The descent is quicker. So I think nature shows us that. Nature shows us that it requires that discipline, the showing up, the taking action consistently to get to where it is that you want to go to, and then you get there, and then you can hang out there for a little while, but often and inevitably there is a descent. And then just know that you have the tools within you, the experience and the discipline to be able to start again. And in fact, I'd like you to keep those two words as a phrase in your mind, because that's your permission, is to start again. We're given opportunities at every moment to just start again. And every moment, every time you take a breath, you're reborn. Every time you wake up again the next morning, you've woken up again, reborn. And so each day we get to start again.